In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $5,000 per day in your Shopify dropshipping store with just one product without this whole one product dropshipping blueprint that every YouTuber out there is just copying and telling you to do the exact same thing, the exact same templates, exact same products, and it just doesn't work in the real world. Let's go. Hey, what is up? It's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, I'm going to show you how my own students are making more than $3,000 to $5,000 per day every single day by just selling one single product without doing the whole one product dropshipping blueprint that everybody else out there is copying, doing all over again, and doesn't really get results. Before we start, quick note, if you're interested in personal mentorship and working directly with me and my team to take your shop to the next level, make sure to click that first link down in the description and book a free one-on-one call. And if you're interested in a giveaway of a 0 to 10K per day guide for your Shopify store, make sure to comment down below, automate, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. All right, so what are most people out there trying to teach you with one product dropshipping? And every single tutorial is the exact same thing. Just pick a product that has a wow factor that could be branded properly. Then you go to shopify.com, or in this case, shopify.com/COVID-19, so you can get 90 days off of your free trial. You get a 90-day free trial here. You build out your store, you pick out the debut theme or any other simple theme that there is to it, and you build out that certain template that just has a banner, some product pictures, and it's all about one product that you randomly chose just because it looks cool or you did a little bit of research on it. The notorious products that everybody else out there is pushing are likely one of these little bendable sunglasses that are really old. They're just some sunglasses that you can bend and it magically starts getting you sales, or it magically starts functioning on Facebook ads just because some guru said that it would. Or the other one, which is the funniest one, is the portable blender. This one, which is just a copy of BlendJet, which is a massive brand selling a lot of these blenders, and just because you copy BlendJet or you create a nice little one product dropshipping store template, it means that it's going to work. Most of the students that I've seen trying these little blueprints or these different products often just fail, not even make one single sale. Think about one product dropshipping if you are a beginner or at least a little bit intermediate. Maybe you have 5 to 10, even up to 50, 100 sales. Think about it as gambling or as doing the lottery. So you can definitely pick a product that works. You can copy somebody else's blueprint. You can make a one product store and it starts to work. But in order to really make it work, you need to stick to it to the long term. It's kind of like buying a stock or, for example, buying a property that you're going to sell in a long term. It isn't just getting the product right, getting the right template for your store, and then magically getting results with Facebook ads. It is a more of a long-term period of time. One of our students, Ryan, right here, who hit his first $3,000 day, I interviewed him, and in the interview, he said that it took him about 5 months to get a product from just getting a few couple of sales all the way up to $3,000 per day and a 20K month and a 100K month, which is his goal for the next month. So if you stick with a product over the long term, instead of just trying to gamble it and trying to create some Facebook ads and seeing if it works, that's gonna make it work for you in the long term a lot better than just a little short-term effort. And when you're creating your store, instead of focusing on that one single product, you're kind of the ticket to the sales and the profitability. Think about it as targeting an audience. Instead of just a product, you're targeting an audience of people with a category of products. So let's say you find a good baby product or a good kids product, kids toy, or something like that. You can go and build out the blueprint just like everybody else is telling you to do with that baby product and put some nice images and pick these random ads and just throw it out there. Or you can do it the professional way, and the right way to do it, which I advise my students, is to actually create an audience store or a niche store just like this one. 9 months sober, they specifically cater to exactly 9 months, like women that are pregnant, women that are, for example, mothers, families, kid products, baby products, and a lot of the products in here are just based on that collection, on that audience. You can see baby boys, toddler boys, matching outfits. So they're targeting parents and recently parents or parents that have just had a baby. And that's the type of store that'll really get the results that you need. If you look at Salesforce and you click on the little icon right here, you click Analyze Store here on the right-hand side. If you want Salesforce and you want to analyze any store, you can check the link down in the description. It is right there. Let's let that load so we see exactly how much money they're making. And on Salesforce, you can see that they're estimating, or their sales estimate, in about 2 years, they're already making almost $1 million every single month with just a couple of products. This is not a one product dropshipping store that you throw out there, you play that lottery. No, they're building the right strategy of targeting an audience of people selling multiple kinds of products. They do have some winners. For example, one of their best-selling products is a little writing tool for kids that they need to learn how to write. They can write better with this little tool, and it makes them a lot of money, upwards of multiple six figures, but it's just not that product that they're gambling with, hoping that it works, and then switching on to a new product. So if you're just thinking about testing a one product store with one product and then hoping that it works, if it doesn't, you're gonna have to change it and test a whole nother product. That will not work unless you stick with it over 3 to 6 months or even more for that one specific product, or you create a niche specific or an audience specific store, which I highly recommend you do. If you're thinking of just selling one product, create a niche around it, create an audience around it, create a store for that, make it very professional, and then start testing some products. The one that gives you the most potential, then you can start scaling that as a one product itself. Another product that I see a lot of people selling are phone cases, or just traditional phone cases, or that have a little bit of an extra spin to them, or creative phone cases. One thing that you also have to keep in mind is we're going through pretty tough times right now with the whole pandemic, the economy being down. So the products that you're choosing and are going to sell have to be higher value, or at least higher priority than other products that you would sell normally. One thing that I love to do, let's say you want to sell cell phone accessories or accessories for your phone, just like phone cases, you can go to Amazon.com and go to movers and shakers, and you'll see the top products that are selling in that particular category. For example, a lot of people are buying portable chargers, they're buying cell phone holder lights for live streaming, which is a pretty interesting one. I can't really understand why that's ticking up. I'm assuming a lot of people are taking videos at home, or maybe there's photographers at home that need this. They're taking it at home. So that's a pretty cool product to sell right now. There's also screen protectors and a lot of different protectors here, mostly screen protectors. Just like this one, there's also this iPhone holder who went up from $575 to $349. So it's also a product you might consider, but just selling something like a phone case or something like a little iPhone accessory might not work in this environment, just because people are not interested in buying phone cases. They're not even going out. So also take that into consideration, that the product has to be relevant to the current time that people are going through. Another important thing when it comes to your ads, if you're doing just one product or advertising one product, is to not just steal or copy somebody else that is doing really well selling that product or selling a similar product. So what a lot of people will do is they'll start selling some portable blenders, and then they'll go to BlendJet and see what kind of ads they're running. So let's say they're running this particular ad.
Getting up in the morning used to suck. With my BlendJet portable blender, I actually look forward to waking up to a delicious smoothie. It saves me time, and it's perfect for staying healthy on the go. In just 40 seconds, I can make a fresh smoothie.
And you get the point. So what most people will do is they'll take their ad for a portable blender, one product store, and then they'll copy Easter sale. Get 10% off your portable blender using code Easter, sales, and ba-da-da. And you copy the ad copy, you make the same type of video, although this video is pretty well made. So if you can get a testimonial just like this one, that would actually be really good. But don't just copy off somebody that is doing really well for the particular product. These people have been doing it for years at this point. So if you look at when this page was created, March 2018, that marks more than 2 years ago when they started selling this product. Like I said in the beginning, if you stick to a product for the long term and you actually see a lot of demand and potential, not just because it's cool or a wow factor product, it can really work in the long term if you stick to it. Like I said, Ryan had to stick for 5 months for that particular product in order to hit $3,000 per day. And the last thing here, your traffic source. Just because you have a one product dropshipping blueprint or one product store and a YouTuber or a guru tells you that you need to do Facebook ads or Instagram influencers doesn't mean that you need to just stick to those and focus on those. And if those don't work, then you need to move on to your new product. Some of my students, for example, they start out on Facebook ads. It doesn't really get results. They don't really see any progress there. And then they move on to something else. Let's say Google, Pinterest, Snapchat, or even other advertising platforms that are not regular or taught on YouTube. You can go and take over those platforms. I have one student, Anne, who was struggling to get some sales on Facebook and went and made $5,000 in a single week by doing Google ads for the exact same product. So if an advertising platform doesn't give you results, it doesn't mean that you need to quit on that product and it doesn't work. Instead, you move on to a new advertising platform to test it properly and see if it's actually a product problem. If somebody else is making that product work, it likely means that there's still a demand and there's still some space for you to go and start selling it. I've been seeing a lot of one product dropshipping store tutorials out there popping up again and again and again, and they're all pretty much the exact same thing. I just want to give you the right blueprint to use right now and the right framework so you can go and get actual results instead of just wasting your money on some ads just because some YouTubers said they should. If you want my direct help to take your business to the next level and you want my team to really help you take your business to where you want to be and get the results that you want, just like my students who are doing 5K days, 10K days, and even 100K months, make sure to click that first link in the description and book a one-on-one discovery call with either me or somebody on my team. The call is completely for free, but please make sure that you are serious about your business and getting results. Now that you know how to properly get sales with one product on your Shopify dropshipping store, if you want to know what are the top 3 products to sell right now, middle of April, May 2020, and in the next couple of months, make sure to check the video right there. There's gonna pop a video, top 3 winning products to sell right now. If you wanna check it out, those are the best products that I recommend you sell during this pandemic and moving forward over the next couple of months. Make sure to click that video. If you wanna join our giveaway, comment automate down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button, and I will see you in the next video.